As a homeowner, there are numerous responsibilities and tasks to keep your property in top condition. From regular maintenance to occasional repairs, ensuring a smooth operation of your home system is crucial. One often overlooked yet vital component is the sewer line. Neglecting the sewer line can lead to costly and messy issues down the line. Today, we will explore the importance of checking your sewer line and the benefits it brings to homeowners. Ensuring health and safety. A compromised sewer line can pose significant health and safety risks to you and your family. Sewage backups can introduce harmful bacteria and pathogens into your living environment, exposing you to waterborne diseases. Moreover, leaks from damaged pipes can contribute to mold growth, further exacerbating health hazards. Regularly checking your sewer line allows you to identify and resolve potential health risks promptly, ensuring the well-being of your household. If you're dealing with clogged drains or backed up sewer lines, give the Admiral experts a call today. You do not want to hold off on making sure that your sewer lines and your drain pipes are running smoothly. So give the Admiral experts a call today at 385-474-9998.